Hi everyone, I'm back with another makeup video. Let's do it. I have already prepped my face with moisturizing, toning and then priming. So you don't skip that step. This is really very important before you go out in summers. Let's start with dabbing our foundation. I'm using Lotus foundation and you can see this is perfectly matching with my shade and it is so smoothie and satiny finish. It glides all over to your face very nicely. Yeah, you can see that it's covering my whole face so nicely, and it is the most affordable and great quality foundation. So it's not my good eyebrow day today. You can see I have small hair out on my eyebrows, so I'm just giving it more precise look. I am using the Maybelline Fit Me concealer to conceal out all those loose hair, small tiny hair. I've concealed my whole eye with fingers only. Now I'm using the brownish shade as a transition color. Today's makeup will be with purple eyeshadow, so I'm very much excited about it. Now I'm depositing the purple color over my crease area. Take your own sweet little time and deposit all the color very nicely. I'll be also applying a golden color onto my lid. I've applied this goldenish shimmery color just on the center of my lid to give it a very glorious look. Now I will be applying the purple eyeshadow onto my lower waterline. So before that, I am baking my face with a loose powder. I've used Pond's Chandan powder. You can use any powder you have so that I don't have that fallouts from the eyeshadow, and later on I can just brush it off, and the dust that falls off to my face will be totally out of my face after I brush the powder. So don't skip it. It is very useful to bake your face. Now I'm using the same eyeshadow that I've used onto my eyelid crease area. I'm just lining my lower waterline. This would be my whole eye look today. It's totally very purplish and smoky look. Blending everything very nicely. Dusting off all my powder as I'm done with my eye makeup. This is gonna be this purplish smoky eye. Don't forget your mascara. I'm just using mascara onto my lower and upper water lashes. Next is contouring. Don't forget to contour. I am contouring it. I don't usually contour every day, but I was feeling today to give a cut crease more, what to say, more thinner look to my face as I have a round face. So I just go like I did this contouring. If you don't want, you can just skip that step. So it's the time when you have to blend. I feel really very boring, but as I say, just keep on blending everything. Blending is the main key to a long and flawless makeup. Next, it's blushy time, my favorite portion. I'm using that Maybelline peachy shade and just applying onto my face. It's highlighter time, my favorite time. Again, using the same highlighter from the same palette that I used for blush, depositing on my highest areas of my face, T-zone, cupid bow, everywhere to give that shiny look. Now it's time for lipstick. I'm using Huda Beauty's red liquid lipstick, and it is, oh my, this color is awesome, and it's very long lasting also. So I'll be finishing up my look with a earring and just wait for the final look. I'm also applying today a bindi, so don't forget to see the final looks. Okay, I'll see you in my next video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye. I love you all. God bless you.